Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about media and technology. Can you imagine a day without the media? Every day you see TV, newspaper, mobile phones. Like that, many things come to your brain. You just think about a day not having any mobile phone, not having a TV at home, and not getting the newspaper, no magazines are available. What would be the situation? How much we will be worried? We will be thinking, what has happened in another place? What has happened to your friends, relatives? How are they? What are they doing? You want to listen to some beautiful music. You want to listen to the beautiful stories. You are not able to do it. So how much depression you may have? Present day, people use a lot of internet, mobile phones, plenty, having in the hand. The world is in the hand. That feeling is there. So we use internet and we get involved inside. And you must know, if we use more internet or more time with the mobile, we will have problem for our eyes and in our brain system. But we are addicted to it. We cannot pass a day without having internet. Situation has come to such an height. The newspapers, televisions, radio can reach millions of people. We had a belief that whatever comes in newspapers are believable, are acceptable, right things. But present day we are utterly confused. Looking at the newspapers, even television channels, what all things are going on television channels. Very less people are listening to radios, but that also is there. But all these, newspapers, television, radio, reach millions of people. Millions and millions of people. So we call it a mass media. The newspapers, television, radio, Twitter accounts, like that, millions of people now. Newspapers and magazines are called the print media because they are printed. They remain there. So, having the newspaper in the hand in the morning, that is a normal custom for an educated person. And my dear children, it is important and necessary for you to read the newspaper every day. Magazines. The detailed explanation of the events and things that has happened will be provided by the magazines, and important world events will be detailed discussed. So please read newspapers daily. Another TV, radio, WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, etc. are electronic media. So there are two divisions: print media, electronic media. There is a mass media. So therefore there are different kinds. Don't get confused by hearing so many words. TV, radio, WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, etc. are called electronic media. Why we use that? Why we call them as electronic media? Because most the things technology is used are electronic materials. That is the reason why we call it electronic media. The naming is related to the different technologies that these media use. Newspapers and magazines are using papers to print, and it remains as such. Notebooks, textbooks are called, we can say, print media. But textbooks may not reach to the millions, only respective classes, or the books that are printed by some publishers, very less number of people purchase it. But newspapers are purchased by millions of people. People sit in front of the television channels and listen to them. So all these things provide technologies, and they are coming to our eyes or in front of us because of the technology. So technological development in the field of media is something great. You know, when Gutenberg has started or printed first book, is said to be the Bible, the Gutenberg. So from that period onwards we started printing. Then typewritings. Now we have got computers. So the change in the system. Technology and the media are interwoven, means we cannot just take out technology from the media. Without technology there is no media, because news and other things have to reach the person. It has to come out. Now we see live matches. So that live matches are used or telecasted or brought in front of us through technology. So if you take away technology and we can use how media, it is not possible. Media survive because of technology. So they are interwoven, connected to each other, and neither can be separated from contemporary society in most core and semi-peripheral nations. We cannot separate media from the technology. A photographer takes the photo. That photo should reach into the printer, and printer should arrange it in a proper systematic way and print it and install in the system and print it. Earlier the photographer used to take photo, he used to bring it from faraway place to the studio, and studio they used to develop, then they would put into the paper. Only black and white papers were there. Now we can see color newspapers here. So electronic system or technology has helped the media to develop. The media, it can be a digital form, means in the computer also we can, internet also we can read the newspapers. In electronic means of communications, now satellite communications are there. We can sit in our room and see the whole world. Google map shows the world, we can see it. The circle of communication is wider than ever, and when we talk about how societies engage with the technology, we must take media into account and vice versa. So without media, if we want to know about the technological development, we want media. If we want to know about technology development, we go to internet and find out what are the developments taking place. So if internet is not available, we would not be able to show what is about technological development. So media health and technology helps media. So it is both. So technology cannot develop without the help of media, because others should know. One person develops something, that person has to communicate whatever he has developed, and other person should support him. For supporting each other, there should be a media. They may talk each other in the computer, they may talk through the mobile phones, they may type and talk, orally they may talk. So that is all media. Or media should help each other, or they are helping each other. So technology creates media. The comic book he bought is a form of media. You purchase comic books, no? To read and entertain yourself. You see lot of funny channels to enjoy yourself. Mickey Mouse you may see. So there, all those things you can see. The movie you streamed for family night. You might have got a video CD player and brought or in the computer TV, home TV, you might have shown a movie, or a family get together, you might have shown some videos and photographs of the family together. So that is also media. Then you wanted to get information somewhere, you go to a website and get your information. The billboard, detailed explanation of the food, everything comes in media. The newspaper you read in the morning, without technology, media would not exist. But remember, technology is more than just the media we are exposed to it. That you must understand. Without technology, media cannot exist. And without media, technology also cannot progress as such. They are interconnected. But technology is not only in media, technology is in so many other fields that we must understand. Don't just think about only in media, technology is used. Technology is used in all activities. Nowadays, Netflix is a movie streaming age. You can have movies, DVDs, and watch all sort of movies. See media, internet, television, radio, newspapers, magazines, all those things are there in the media. See, all those things. Internet is there, television is there, radio is there, magazines and newspapers. All those things are part of media. Media and the technology have been interwoven in human communications. The printing press, the telegraph, the internet are all examples of their intersection. There was a communication system known as telegraph. If you watch old movies, 1950s or 60s movies, you will be able to see human being using telegram for communications. If you see movies of 1980s or 1990, beginning of 1990s, you can see mobile phones. Not mobile phones, land phones people are using. They are using land phones for communications. Now, everywhere, mobile phones are. We don't see any land phones in the modern movies. So the technological growth is shown to the current or situations of that time. Mass media have allowed for more shared social experiences. Their life. Mass media is like that. Newspapers will speak about stories about individuals or things that has happened. TV will show that. So they are called the mass media. Now, take a TV, anything, so much materials are being aired. And some of them we want to hear, some of them we don't want to hear. Like that it is. So many materials are uploaded into the screen. I will show you a funny slide. The present home. See, the growth of human beings. It is according to the Darwin's theory from monkeys coming, standing straight, but again he is bending, working. Now he is like this. You see, sitting in front of the computer. Bend. You see the human. From monkeys he is coming back to that. sitting in front of them. Now most of the houses it happens. Every time we are not able to keep our head straight, we are keeping our head bent because we are every time look at the mobile phones. We are not looking straight. We don't have time to look at each other. On the road, if we say something, we may touch, kick it and go ahead. Or we may not see on the road what is happening. At home, we may not see anybody who is moving around you. That kind of situations. See, next will show you technology. This you see, everybody is using mobile. You may be at home, or in a library, or in a public place where they talk. They don't have time to interact. All are in mobiles. See, all are in mobiles. See, all are in mobiles. You see, this situation. All are in mobiles. You see, all. See, everybody, mobile. So this is situation of modern people, human beings. You see another one. Mass media, watching televisions. Here, people are using the mass media for communications. How the mass media is the TV channels. So like the technology has helped a lot for the development of media. Tomorrow we will discuss how media gets money to do all those things. Where do they get money, or how do they get money? We will discuss about media and technology and money tomorrow. Thank you very much.